Hi guys, it's Jamie here and my package from India has arrived. I am so excited about this. I've slit it open but I haven't looked properly yet. I just had a little glance to see if I should be opening it on camera or off camera. I definitely should be opening it on camera. Virginia, who I did a swap with, so there was a video of me packing the box to send to her, knows that I'm doing a journal for my mum based around the fact that we're Anglo-Indian and it's her 75th in January. Not that my mum's very Indian at all, to be honest, but I thought I'd tap back on the family roots. Now she's getting older, maybe she'd be happier with the family roots. And so she sent me stuff that will be relevant to, oh my goodness, that kind of journal. Some pages, I knew she was French, from French novels. Right, let's have a look. I think it's mostly materials. I'm so excited. I've never been to India. I should go. Oh, wow. Oh, look at that, a dangle. How beautiful. Can you see that? Sorry. Oh, loads of tags that I can make. Different sizes. Awesome. I'm useless at cutting them. It was so expensive to do a swap abroad, but this may well have been worth it. Look. Threads. Oh, little metal figures. Oh, I haven't got anything like this. I'm so happy with that because I was going to buy some at some point. Oh, playing cards to alter. Oh, Alice ones. My favourite. My favourite. Oh, I can't be touching the Alice ones. I'll have to do an Alice journal. Some beautiful flowers. I don't want to pull at this too much. I'm going to have to, I think. I think things have kind of got stuck. Wow. Right, and now we go into what I assume is going to be the Indian materials. Look at the colours. You can see why I love colour, my heritage. A long time ago. I'm only, what is it, a quarter or something, but even so. Look at these. Oh my god, this is going to make the journal so special. I'm going to have to do some sewing. I never do sewing. I'm sure I can work a way out. Oh, that's a peacock. That's really weird because Samantha from Magpie Printables has given me the peacock kit and asked if I'd like to have a go with using that. And I was just thinking, driving my son to college this morning, peacocks are Indian. I'm sure they are all are in India, and therefore I could use them in my mum's journal, that kit. Oh wow, look at all the gold in everything. See, I love gold. So I'm beginning to understand myself better opening this. Look at all these materials. That's just amazing. Such a selection. Tell you what, she must have such a selection at home. I would be if I lived in Bhopal. I'd just be constantly buying fabrics. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that one. Do you know what? I might even do a patchwork cover for the front of her journal. Like sew the hand sew, because I don't machine sew, everything together to be cover size, and then put it onto the journal front, because I think that might, I know they're all different weights, but it's a journal, so they're not going to be washed, are they? Oh wow. Well, there's certainly plenty here to do that and also still use the journal. I need someone in China next so I can do a Chinese themed journal. Ooh, fantastic. I love getting things like that. That's awesome. It's all stuff I don't have. I'm amazed. Oh my goodness. It's all... Oh, wow. I want to keep that for myself. Wouldn't that be beautiful on the front of a journal? Can you see how glittery that is? Sorry, I love glitter. A ruffle. I wonder if she did that herself. It's really nice. I bet she did. because I know she's a bit of a sewer and I'm not. Oh, another one. Oh, that's Christmassy. I know it's not, but it is. And I want to do a Christmas journal. By the time I get round to that, mind, it'll be way beyond Christmas. Oh, I think these are her ruffles. Look at them all. Oh, this journal's going to be amazing. I want to keep it for myself. Well, I think it's going to be amazing. Oh, lovely. Don't know what on earth my mum will make of a quite boho journal. It's about time she youthed up. Oh, 60s vibes. I'm keeping that for a 60s journal. I've got to do a hippie journal now. I have a hippie traveller or something. Go discover yourself in India with a Maharaji. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I know it's just a lot of lace, but look, I normally only get black, cream or white, and I was just looking at the purples yesterday because AliExpress have a sale on. And of course, why wouldn't I be spending more money? And this actually might save me a bit of money. Oh, look. Some lovely hempy stuff. Awesome. So many laces. Oh my goodness. I was looking at that one. That is the exact one that's sitting in my shopping basket. How awesome. No, I didn't take it out my shopping basket. Oh, that's a pretty one. I think I recognise some of these are not from AliExpress, obviously, and some are, because I think I recognise that one as well, and that was in my shopping basket. I think it comes in several colours. Oh, I know. Oh my gosh. Look at these. This is going to be such a beautiful journal. Thank you, Virginia. I can't believe it. Can't believe I've got all of this to add to the journal. And my Aunt Penny's looking up like family photos and things and old letters, and a cousin in India has sent me through a load of stuff on email, scans of old letters. It's going to be amazing. Thank you so much. Thanks for being with me, guys, while I did this little unopening reveal. It's been amazing. I'd happily take place in a swap again. Having seen this, it's just too exciting. I'd happily swap with India again, to be fair, just to get some more material. Okay, I've got to go. See you next time. Bye.